All right, you going up that bank?
Yeah.
All right. Guys, I'm on the new KTM. It's gonna be a pretty ginger ride today. Pretty ginger ride today because this is a brand new bike. Got brand new plastics and graphics. First crash on the 300. Oh my God. Well, I've got stuff pouring out. Just don't know what it is. I think it's just coolant overflow. I just couldn't go, man. Those roots. Oh, need some.
Goes all around it off, and you can kind of tell it.
Oh my gosh, your chain.
Huh?
Your chain's loose.
I wouldn't worry about it. I tightened it before I left too.
So I told you, O-rings or die. Oh. Okay. Well. I'll probably just go that way now.
That's alright. Just a little bit of throttle and make it up that.
Dude, I thought, okay, I'm just gonna hold the brakes and eventually I'll stop here in a second.
Nope.
I was sliding, dude. I wasn't.
Like where we had like 4 solid days of rain, the water just soaked into the dirt.
And then it froze last night.
Yeah.
Aw, man, I already ripped the new graphics. Good thing my boy Jarrett at Factory Backing has me covered. Can't wait to get out this year and run some VXCS races on this beast. Clicking up the hill. I hope that's not detonation. Whoa! Yeah, you can still see some snow on these trees out here. But anyway, guys, taking it pretty chill today. 1, to test out this bike, first ride on it. 2, just to kind of get a feel on the controls. Obviously everything feels way different than my Cali. It's just a smart thing to do when you're on a new bike. Take a day and just chill out and get the feel of it. Don't do anything crazy, like taking a sight lap in motocross. Try to work some of these leaves off the trail.
Like I said, I've always got the recluse out here. I'm not used to having to use the clutch. It's a nice tool to have that I don't have on my Cali to the same level, but it's a tool that puts some wear on you. Oh yeah. Mason back there in the pit again. I'm trying not to be too judgmental with this IRC hill climb tire, whatever it is on the back, because it's very frozen and wet today. I can't really get a true feel for this tire until it's a dry day, but I think I'm probably going to go with a Shinko 525 and then have an extra set of wheels to swap out on this bike for different things. Feels way better over the log hops. And this suspension also isn't set up for me. It's got the spring conversion kit set up for 150-pound rider. I'm 220, guys. Yep, just felt that spring bottom out my big butt on it. Gonna have to grab a spring. I've already got an air cartridge coming from my good buddy Brian Trophy, so I can swap from the spring kit back to air. Why do I want to swap back to air from a spring kit? One, I really like the air. I love the feel. You can't beat like the progression of an air force. But mainly it's so I can adjust the pressures for different ridings. For single track stuff like this, I'll be pumping it way down, and then I'll throw on a different set of tires and wheels, run some GPs, play on a motocross track maybe, and pump that spring rate up a little bit. Not a crazy amount, because you can't do it a crazy amount because you have to keep the bike relatively balanced with the rear shock spring. But you can definitely mess with those fork pressures for different styles of riding, different terrains. And it's helpful. I like it. Whoa! See if I can pivot turn over this with my foot on the log. Whoa. I did, but I bottomed out. Ugh. Garbage. Garbage. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I got the fan to kick on. Nice.